Well, one of the main highlights is our new TICA Series. This is a new range of tools for integrating commercial audio. That means many different boxes, small compact boxes, ranging from amplifiers, DANT interfaces, headphone amplifiers, preamp mixers, media players, transformers, so everything in a very, very compact size. And we have many different mounting options like surface mount. You can install them in plenum spaces. In a rack, you can combine different boxes. And the good thing is that you can use them also standalone in very small installations, but you can also combine these elements with bigger matrices in large multi-zone projects. Well, the main features depend on the product. So when we talk about amplifiers, we have amplifiers for HDMI sources, so you can integrate it with digital signage sources. We have DANT amplifiers and we have analog amplifiers. Then we have DANT interfaces with different channel counts, like only outputs or 4 input, 4 output, something like that. Then we have the low impedance amplifiers, but you can combine them with transformers. And then we have media players, like radio streaming media player or scheduler for calendar events, GPIOs, and also headphone amplifiers. So depending on the products, there are many different highlights. So the cool thing is that you can combine them like bricks that you put together until you get the full installation done. I feel really good, and I already noticed the feeling with the customers when they see all these different boxes and the features that we added. Even as you say, as these should be the kind of black boxes that you hide somewhere, there should be features, for example, all the volume knobs and controls, they are flash mounted. We don't want people just hitting anything or modifying by accident things. So all these small details are there just to make it sure.